Um, I would like to discuss what they call natural synchronization. Natural synchronization, that is the stimulation of animals to come on heat without hormones, without applying hormones, but playing with nutrition and management. What are the advantages of doing that? You know, we do farming, and we really need to have a group to dispatch. You get it? At any point, if a farmer, I told you many times that we farmers, we always get our money at the end of 6 months. That's how we do it. Why? Because an animal takes a gestation period of 5 months. So if an animal takes a gestation period of 5 months, that means we expect babies after 6 months. If we expect babies after 6 months, the animal will come back on heat after 1 month or 2 months, and they will be bred. If they are bred again, that means we shall have another batch after 5 or 6 months. So that is how it works. So that means if we are producing a group of animals per now, we shall receive another group of animals after 6 months or 5 months, actually 6 months. So that means by the time we get another group, we are ready to dispatch the first group. I'm telling you about that because these animals you see, these are around 3 months, and the others are now 4 months here. But we have young ones which are days old, like the way you see this. They are days old. So that's what we call synchronization. So by the time we shall be dispatching this older group, this young group will be ready to be handled. So sorry, this other group will be up. You get it? So that's how we do. So in groups, we shall be selling animals in groups. We farmers, we evaluate ourselves after 6 months. When you produce animals today, after 6 months, you'll have to do what? Maybe to sell, but you sell in a group. There is no way how you can make money when you produce, let's say, 2 kids today, next month 2 kids, the other month 3 kids. You really need to have a lot of animals that you're dispatching at a given period of time. So natural synchronization, what do? Remove the males. After removing the males, put them in the male wing so that these other females come on heat and they don't get served. So that by the time they get served, they are in a group. Put them out, let them starve without males. So when you bring the male back, they'll all be yearning, for being served. Because that smell you hear in animals is called a testosterone hormone. That's a male hormone. And animals really love it. The moment they get it, they all come on it. So that's how we do. So like you see, this is a batch, and there is another new batch that is coming up. So my animals are all now pregnant and they are going to produce. Remember, the ones that produced these ones, which are in about 5 months, they have already conceived. They have gotten another pregnancy. So in the next 2-3 months, they are going again to be producing. So that's what we call natural synchronization. So try, because you even reach a time when you don't have to remove the males from your units, but because the animals are pregnant and others are also, some group will be pregnant, some group will be open. You get it? But the moment you give these animals very good feeds, these animals will automatically be coming on heat because animals are very disciplined. They don't they don't be served when they are not on heat. Those animals don't be bred when they are pregnant. They are not like you human beings, whatever you do. Like all the time you can serve, you can do everything. But these animals are very disciplined. If they are not on heat, they can't be served. If they are pregnant, they can't be served. So you find that you synchronize your flock and know that if most of my animals are pregnant in this period, and they will be open in this period. You get? Even if you leave a male there, the male will be serving. Those that are open and those that are pregnant will not be served. So that means you have two groups, those that are being served and those that are pregnant. Those are the animals that you'll be having all throughout. So natural synchronization is a very good thing. It's a very good idea. And I would definitely love to let you see this, because these are all kids, these are outgoers, and then we are receiving the new guys like the one you see here. So basically, guys, learn how to do it, but don't force your animals to come on heat if they are not ready. Thank you very much, and let me wish you the best. Bye.